Good day everyone, welcome to Tutoring Success. Today we are going to be looking at the practical application of the first theorem. So this video is going to be a bit longer guys, please bear with me. I will try by all means to make you understand each and every concept. So before you even look at the question guys, you first have to read the statement. They are saying in the diagram, O is the center of a circle APT. F is a point on chord AB such that DOF is perpendicular to AP. AP is equals to FD and is equals to 8 centimeter. And OF is equals to X centimeter. So let's look at AP. So AP guys is a chord. So we all know that since it's a chord, that means that line from the center perpendicular to the chord bisects the chord, right? So if they are saying AP is equals to 8 centimeter, they are simply meaning that AF is equals to 4 and FB is also equals to 4, right? And then they are saying OF is equals to X. They showed it here. Let's see again. FD. Okay. FD is equals to 8 centimeter. Let's write this down. So what is DO? DO we can simply say is, we can say DO, right, is equals to FD minus by FO, right? So OD is equals to, what is FD is 8, FO is X, right? So we are going to include this on our diagram. This is going to be 8 minus X. And another thing that's fascinating guys, as you can clearly see, the line from the center to the circumference is known as a radius. That means this line is equals to this line. OD is equals to OB, right? And then we are going to label OB as well as 8 minus X, right? So, okay, I think that we have said enough about this graph or this diagram. Now we can read the question. You can see, now we can what? We can read the question. What does the question say? Determine the length of the radius of the circle. Right, they are looking for what? The radius of the circle. We all know that OD is equals to OB, right? And then we can say is equals to R for radius. Our reasoning is going to be radii, right? In triangle FOB, we are telling the examiner that we are considering the triangle FOB and obviously use the Pythagoras theorem here. So we are going to say BO squared, which is our radius and also our hypotenuse, and then FO squared plus FB squared, right? So BO, we know BO is 8 minus X squared, and then FO is X, and then FB is 4, right? And then we are going to simplify here guys. We're going to simplify. Let me first expand, and then here we are going to have X squared plus 16, and then we are going to be having 8 multiplied by 8 is going to be equals to 64. 64 is going to be negative 8x and negative 8x. So we are simply going to say 8 plus 8, right? So 8 plus 8 is equals to 16. So we are going to say minus 16x. If there's anything you don't understand, guys, please drop your question on the comment section below. And then we are going to say negative x multiplied by negative x. We are obviously going to get x squared, right? And then equals to x squared plus 16. So after this, guys, we are going to transpose. So since we are having x squared as a positive and x squared as a positive on this other side, that means they are going to cancel each other out. And then we are going to be left with negative 16 on this side. And then we are going to say 16 minus 64, 16 minus 64. Then we are going to say negative 16x is equals to, what is 16 minus 64 is negative 48. Right, since we are solving for x, we are looking for x, so we are going to divide by 16 both sides since we are looking for x. So 48 divided by negative 16, it gives us 3, guys. And then we can go to our radius. Where's our radius? Is BO, right? BO is equals to 8 minus x, isn't it? So in the place of x, we are going to say negative 3. So is 8 minus 3. And 8 minus 3 is equals to 5 centimeter. So how can we trust that this is 5 centimeter? We can trust it, guys, because here we know that x is equals to 3. And we also know that this is the hypotenuse side, so it must be the longest side, which is 5 centimeter. So if this video was helpful for you guys, please don't forget to put that like button. And if you have any question, please don't hesitate to drop it on our comment section below. I'll make sure that I get back to you. So on our next video, we are going to look at another practical question from Theorem 1.